Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transits. In front of us and for sale today, here we have a Ford Transit Custom Limited Series L2H1 double cabin van. L2 means the long wheelbase, H1 is the low roof. Double cabin van means we've got dual side loading doors, leading to 3 seats in the second row, plus the 3 in the front, meaning you get 6 travel seats. 6-speed automatic gearbox. 130 PS, Euro 6.2, covers just 11,175 miles, excellent condition, inside and out, metallic Agate black, so a very rare vehicle and lovely example, registered end of October 2021, comes with full Ford manufacturer's warranty, 3 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. So tinted glass on the second row. You can see the extended wheelbase, and as it's a limited series, very well spec'd inside and out. Ice Pack 21 inside the cab. Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, great feature. 16-inch alloy wheels, body colour side mouldings, front and rear parking sensors, as well as the addition of a rear camera. Body colour door handles. We can upgrade the driver's door security lock. It can be upgraded to a stainless steel one, please ask for further information. Heated windscreen, heated door mirrors, automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights, chrome effect on the grille, you get cornering fogs, as well as plenty more. So this van is in stock today. So inside, we've got a carpeted floor in the front and in the back in the second row. 3 seats. Isofix on the outer 2. With a window in the bulkhead, reading lights and grab handles. And then into the back, as this is an L2, you get just under 2 meters of load length along the easy clean floor. Various tie downs, fitted with a ply lining kit, LED load lighting and full metal bulkhead. The rear doors can be locked in the 90-degree position, just push them in. And they also open up 180 degrees. Right, now into the cab. Again, carpeted floor in the front. Leather trimmed steering wheel and gear selector. Just beyond that, the 8-inch touchscreen. I'll go into more detail in just a second. So dual front passenger seats with fold-down table and under-seat storage. 8-way adjustment on the driver's seat, including lumbar support. Electric one-touch windows. Power folding door mirrors. Automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights. Voice activation and audible messaging when you've got your phone connected. Automatic rain sensing wipers. And here you have the cruise control with adjustable speed limiter. And just confirming the mileage. Automatic gearbox, so here's the gear selector, and of course just for 2 pedals. Then beyond that we have the manual air conditioning. We've got the heated windscreen, the heated door mirrors, the 2 heated seats, quick clear and quick cool. And then just above that, Ice Pack 21 or Sync 3. This is the main entertainment system, so a great blend of touchscreen, physical buttons. If you connect your phone through the USB port up on the dashboard, you can then access Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, really great feature. And the screen also displays the rear camera and the front and rear parking sensors. So in conclusion and for sale today, here we have a Ford Transit Custom Limited Series L2H1 double cabin van, 326 travel seats, automatic gearbox, 130 PS, Euro 6.2, Ice Pack 21 in the cab, metallic Agate black, lovely mileage, just 11,175 miles covered, excellent condition inside and out. Good chunk of Ford warranty still left on this vehicle, so if you have any questions or would like to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you for watching.